In Greece, where tradition meets innovation, Berling SA has been a pioneer in the Greek paint industry and a beacon of excellence for over 5 decades, since its founding in 1968. Its name remains steadfast, illuminating walls with innovation and transforming spaces all around the world. Within the remarkable journey of Berling SA, every brushstroke tells a tale of resilience. Yet Berling's path to prominence was not without its challenges. In 1980, the company faced its darkest hour when flames devoured its facilities. But from the ashes of adversity, the company emerged stronger, unyielding in its pursuit of excellence. In 1984, the company was reborn under the name we know today, Berling. This marked the genesis of a transformative journey that would redefine the very essence of the industry. Unwavering in its commitment to growth, Berling expanded its horizons by establishing a state-of-the-art production unit in Norfolk Via in 1992. This was a pivotal step towards its mission of delivering products and services of unparalleled quality. Driven by an unwavering commitment to exceptional quality and safety, Berling stands as a trusted pillar of the industry, setting the gold standard for excellence in decorative paints, isolating products, thermo-isolating coatings, industrial coatings, and furniture paints. Berling was also the first and remains the only one to utilize safety membranes to seal their paint buckets for select product lines, ensuring the utmost quality and integrity. In their quest to revolutionize the industry, Berling didn't stop at growth. The company sought inspiration beyond borders, and it was during this international journey that they acquired the knowledge to construct their groundbreaking creation, the first colouring machine in Greece in 1993, which they had available for free to paint stores. The company has also set the benchmark for ecological products in Greece, being the first manufacturer of ecological products of the country. In 1998, it achieved a milestone, the creation of the first Greek eco-labelled product, recognizing the need to continually improve its environmental performance based on the principles of sustainable development and compliance with laws and international standards. Berling aims for a balanced economic development in harmony with nature and ensures environmental protection in every step of its activities. Berling exports products in 27 countries, starting from 1999, contributing to the international expansion of the company, while the main focus is on its hexagonal growth. The aim is for sales abroad to reach 50% of the company's turnover in the next 5 years. Passing the torch to a new generation, Berling continued to grow dynamically by investing in technological achievements and infrastructure and has championed innovation. In a journey spanning 55 years, Berling SA has not only redefined the Greek paint industry, but has set an example for the world through story painted with passion and dedication, where the past meets the future.